To set up AWS Amplify user pools, start by creating an AWS account and installing the AWS Amplify CLI. The AWS Amplify CLI is a tool that helps you to create and manage AWS Amplify projects. Once installed, configure the CLI by running the Amplify configure command and following the prompts to set up your AWS credentials. Next, create a new AWS Amplify project by running the Amplify init command. This will set up a new directory for your project and create the basic file structure. Then, navigate into your project directory and run the Amplify add auth command to add authentication to your project. Choose the default configuration when prompted to set up the authentication service. AWS Amplify will then guide you through the process of setting up the user pool. You will be asked to choose the type of authentication you want to use, such as username and password or social media authentication. Choose the authentication type that best fits your needs. After choosing your authentication type, AWS Amplify will create the user pool and configure it for you. You can then view the user pool settings by running the Amplify auth console command. This will open the AWS Management Console where you can view and edit the user pool settings. To use the user pool in your application, you will need to install the AWS Amplify libraries. You can do this by running the npm install AWS Amplify command. Then, import the AWS Amplify library into your application code and use the auth class to interact with the user pool. Best practices for setting up AWS Amplify user pools include using a secure password policy, enabling multi-factor authentication, and using a custom domain for your user pool. You should also test your user pool thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected. In conclusion, setting up AWS Amplify user pools is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions provided by the AWS Amplify CLI and using best practices, you can create a secure and scalable user pool for your application.